Hey guys, Daniel Gourley here again with 5 Words Media, and we had so much in our first Sennheiser video that we wanted to split this into two because this truly is the gift that keeps on giving. And I want to talk to you a little bit more in depth about the wireless EWD system from Sennheiser. So, just like previous Sennheiser systems, say I wanted to go ahead and, I don't know, sync this body pack, I could go up to the unit and press the sync button, and I could actually hold this unit up and it's actually syncing to the wireless unit. That's nothing new, guys, because we knew that even back in the G2 wireless, G3, G4 days, we could manually sync our belt packs. All right, so we are in this new world of applications, and I'm excited because I'm going to show you some cool features. So, through low power Bluetooth mode, we can actually talk to the receiver and the transmitters, and we can actually do a few things. So I'm here on the first page. You get your support hub where it has common questions you may have about holding the microphone, or what antenna system is good, or how you angle your antennas or whatnot. But really, if we go to the dashboard, this is where this is at. So we've got a wireless mic that shows up. I actually just sync this, and if I click on Nick, I can see not only his battery level, but I also can lock his receiver. Okay, so I can basically lock it so that he can't switch it off or power it down. I can also mute and unmute his receiver remotely. And then I have all of these options here. I can literally go through, and if I want to manually set that frequency range, I have the ability to do it remotely. Or I can go through and I can say sync transmitter, and basically it's going to say power up the transmitter, and then go ahead and press the sync button, and I'm going to choose body pack, and it's actually going through right now, and it is syncing the body pack to the receiver. It even tells me things like what firmware that I'm operating with, what's the battery life in that receiver. We're at 31%. Hey, I know we can get through baptismal, but I'm gonna have to swap out Nick's microphone. You can even go in and change the name of what Nick's got going on this wireless mic. So pretty awesome, really, really cool. You have the ability to do an auto scan, adjust the gain, adjust the frequency out, all the device information. We can go in and we can learn this remotely just through the cool free Bluetooth app that Sennheiser decided to include for free, gratis, inside this Sennheiser package. So if you want to know anything else about this amazing Sennheiser setup, or all the cool things that they're doing with digital wireless, you can reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com today. We love these guys. We love what they're doing, all for the price of only $699 for the local church market. So if you reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com, we will get you a quote. We'll consult with you, tell you what the different pieces are that you need to get all of this playing nicely together. And we are looking forward to seeing you on our next Tech Talk.